Going on, guys? Taylor with Diamond State Off-Road. Just got the JK steering all replaced, gearbox, power steering pump, all that fun good stuff. This weekend we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna be taking the van, doing some van camping. So catch you in a minute. My Yz250, it sits more than it gets ridden. So XJ project's gonna go down here in a little bit. We're gonna get the fuel drained out of this thing and go get some fresh fuel and get her fired up. Bike loaded up. Got the Rzr back there, you can barely see it. We got Moose, he's all loaded up, ready to go. And we are headed to Kirby Landing. Supposed to cut some trail, start getting ready for the race at March, I want to say. So we're in the Duramax van, headed to do some van camping. Just gonna set the hammock up in here tonight. It's supposed to be like 25 or something like that. Got the diesel heater, and update you whenever we get there. Alright, so we're getting here set up. Got charcoal going for the steak. Gonna do some jalapeno poppers and some mashed potatoes. The trailhead is right over there. So got the bike, the Rzr. Dad's gonna ride the Rzr tomorrow. We're gonna cut some trail. So stay tuned. Check on the steak. We got the poppers on the grill. It's looking good. So I don't know how, sun's setting pretty good right now. GoPro picks up more light than actually what's here. So probably catch y'all in a little bit. Watch a movie, hang out with the dog. So here we are. Got steak, jalapeno poppers, mashed potatoes. Right, just got in bed. Got tablet going. We're gonna watch some Netflix and call it a night. See y'all in the morning. Good morning. It is the next day. Hopefully get to ride the bike. Get Dad in the Rzr. This is the setup. Say hi, Moose. Just set my hammock up in here crossways. Still got my goggle marks. Moose and I are headed to the house. So again, it's not going to be dirt bike stuff all the time, but be some dirt bike, some rock crawling, mountain bike, and some jet ski stuff every now and again. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.